Machinery Company Limited. ZSX460 automatic book sewing machine carries out fully automatic function by putting up the pages, locking line, book separating, and book reception. This machine adopts international advanced sewing technology, and it is simple and easy to operate and adjust effectively only by one person. It has high automation and automatic functions for paste, counting, cutting, and separating, production statistics, and so on. The lubricants automatic control system automatically carries out dictation and control on lack, breaking, shrinks, jams, and so on. The machine is with high lock line precision and international practical needle distance 19 mm with close needle 1.5 mm. Lock line is firm, tidy, and beautiful, and prevents leak adhesive. It is an ideal equipment for binding and gluing binding books.